Hi guys, just a quick update video. The DVSA have made an announcement today regarding driving lessons and driving tests. And basically what they are saying is driving lessons will be allowed to start on the 12th of April at the earliest, subject to change. But driving tests are actually going to restart on the 22nd of April, not the 12th of April as it was announced originally. The dates lessons and tests restart were different for different vehicle categories, and you can see that on the list here. One of the big ones a lot of people ask about is motorcycle tests and training. So motorcycle training can actually start earlier on the 22nd of March, and tests start on the 12th of April. These are the posts from the DVSA's Twitter feed, which make things a tad clearer. So basically, as from the 29th of March, you can do your CBT, motorcycle lessons, bus lessons, and a tractor test, and a bus test I should say. From the 12th of April, you can do car, lorry driving lessons, and lorry tests, theory tests, and a motorcycle test. And as from the 22nd of April, you can do car tests, car practical tests. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.